In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two email accounts using Gmail forwarding. This is a fantastic way to streamline your inbox by ensuring that all your emails land in one place, making it both efficient and organized. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can set it up effortlessly. First, go ahead and log into your old Gmail account. This is the account from which you'll be forwarding emails, so make sure you've got the right one. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your settings. To do this, click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see a variety of tabs at the top. Click on the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. It's here where we'll configure the email forwarding. Now focus on the top section, which is labeled Forwarding. You'll see an option there to add a forwarding address. Click on that and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter an email address. This is the crucial part. In the dialog box, type in your new Gmail address. This is your target account, the one where you want all your old emails to be sent. After entering the new email address, click Next, and then a new browser tab will open, asking for confirmation that you want to proceed. Simply click Proceed, and then you'll be returned to your settings page, where you confirm everything with a click on OK. Now let's switch gears and log into your new Gmail account. You should receive a confirmation email from Google regarding the forwarding request setup. This email contains a verification link. Find it and click on it. What this does is it lets Google know that you authoritatively want emails from the old account to be sent to the new one. It's a crucial step to ensure security and proper redirection of your emails. Once the verification is completed, your old Gmail account should now be set up to forward incoming emails directly to your new account. By doing this, you're effectively merging your email streams, which makes managing communications far less of a hassle. It's important to note that this process doesn't affect your past messages, it only automates the forwarding of new incoming messages. That's all there is to it. A simple yet powerful way to centralize your email communication. I recommend periodically checking both accounts initially just to make sure everything's working smoothly. And there you have it, an easy guide to combining two Gmail accounts through the magic of email forwarding. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in keeping your digital correspondences in check.